Hello, I am holding this camera, this monopod, with my foot. Yes, it's very fun. So, yeah, I'm using a camera and pointing it at my face. That doesn't happen very often. Anyway, yeah. So, as we're heading into fall here, I kind of decided I wanted to repaint my room because it's been like a fat minute, like 5 years or so. And then I also wanted to change up some decor, so it would be like average before and after. So I thought, hey, why not I make a video, if anything, for my own viewing? So I figured I'd throw something together and put it on the channel, because why not? I don't care. So yeah, that being said, ooh, no. So yeah, that was the room tour basically. I'm pretty happy with how it all turned out. Getting all fancy with my decor skills. Hopefully there's gonna be another little boring random video coming out soon. Well, not boring. Why did I say boring? Self-deprecation is unnecessary. Yeah, there's gonna be a little video of a project I'm working on, just some work in progress stuff, and yeah. be exciting, so can't wait to see where that goes. Alright,